We're actually based in Thailand, Bangkok. A pretty so it's almost like half. It's midnight here, but it's we still have a lot of power. To go move forward the world through plants. So at Baiya, we have a motto says, we grow the plants of life. So this is a little bit on the company highlights. We're a platform technology company where we are a manufacturing platform using plant, which provides speeds, simple and scalable platform. We already have a proven concept phase 1 trials that we could provide that already give us a great data on the plant-based technology platform on the safety and efficacy of the product that we already produce. We have a company-owned GMP facility based in Bangkok, one of its kind. It's the only one in Asia, and we can say we're a global leader in plant-based technology. The development pipeline, except for the part that we are manufacturing platform, we also have a pipelines of the products that we are developing. Multiple programs that designed to improve pharmacokinetics and toxicities of clinically validated molecules. We're actually focusing on 2 products right now, 2 products line right now. First, B33 AFP, which is the platform that designed to increase blood-brain penetrations of the antibodies. And Plantamab, which is the platform that designed to improve pharmacokinetics of the clinically validated immunotherapy and antibody for infectious disease. In terms of financial, we have raised more than $15 million through non-dilutive grants. We're currently in the process of raising $5 million through safe notes. We already have a lead investor on board. We actually we're trying to close it by the end of this quarter and looking to start the next round of funding of $20 million. So I already said that we have a motto says we grow the plants of life. Why? Because we use plant to produce the products that could treat illness, prevent disease, and save lives. We're aiming to replace fermentation in pharmaceutical industry, which is extremely expensive and very slow to scale from bench to bedside. You might have already know if you work in biologics field that it takes at least 2 years and at least like $2 or $3 million at least to get a GMP batch for to get your product into clinical trials from bench to bedside if you want to produce it at for a clinical batch scale. For using the platform that we have, it could take only 6 months, and the cost would cost only half of it, like $1.5 million to get the product into the clinical stage. So what the more details on the Baiya farming, which is our technology platform. So instead of using fermentation, we use plant as a biofactory where we infect plant with the grow bacteria that carry a genes of the product that we would like to produce through a process called a grow infiltration. We use vacuum with infiltration, which we already have a machine in place to do that. We keep the plants for a few more days, and then we harvest it, and then we purify the protein for use. We know that the core values of the technology pave the way for unique opportunities for financial returns, because we have a speed which we can get 10 days to get prototypes, 18 months from bench to bedside. That was our track record in the past few years. Currently, we can lower that time from 18 months to 6 months, and very simple, lower cost of goods sold and conventional platform, very simple to switch from one product and to another products, and very much scalable. We have a GMP facility where we can produce up to 5 million doses of vaccines per month currently, and it's actually based in Thailand, where we have a very affordable talents, make the production cost even lower. So this is the video clip of the facility that we have, which is based in Thailand. And I already said this is the only one in Asia. So I'm going to skip this. These are multiple programs that we're working on in our pipelines. The Plantamab, which is the platform that decided to improve pharmacokinetics. We're working on several molecules, but what we're trying to achieve is we're trying to make the products last longer in patients' blood. indications that we're going into now are focusing on non-small cell lung cancer, RSV, and asthma, which are all the things that these are the products that normally patients need to administer. For example, RSV 2 months, we can make it last longer into 3 to 4 months. More compliance and also, better efficacy and safety. We're actually into lead optimization right now and could be doing IND enabling very, very soon. In terms of the B3T-AFP, which is the platform that designed to increase blood-brain barriers, we're focusing on glioblastoma and brain metastasis. We're in the process of doing proof of concept right now, and we should have several molecules that are ready to do IND enabling next year. These are our key accomplishment. We have found for 6 years now, but at 40 months, we have raised more than 15 million US dollars and used that money to build our GMP facility and get our product into clinical trials. If you work in biopharma before, you might know that, in order to do that, you might need more than 50, 60 million US dollars to do so. But with the platform that we have, it provides a very efficient platform to produce product into the clinical trial, as I already said. Over the last year, we have structured our companies into several subsidiaries in which we can provide services to our clients for manufacturing, as well as using the platform to produce the product that could commercialize easier, for example, cosmetics or other industries. The MP Solution is the company where we use as an engine for contract manufacturing organizations. So if you have new molecules that you would like to take the products into the trials, we could also be your partners as well. And VGF Plantix is the engine that we use for producing, as I said, for cosmetics and stuff. These two companies have a goal to generate revenue that we could provide, that we could self-sustain in terms of revenues for their facilities, while Baiya Phytopharm is working on our pipelines for the new products development. So these are our teams that are working on different companies. We have people who are specialized in manufacturing, quality control, quality management systems, CMC, and also clinical. So what we do is we use an open innovation concept to work with a lot of companies, especially mainly on the research and development side, where we work with a lot of companies to bring their products into the further stage. So we're actually in the process of raising 5 and 20 millions in the coming quarters. These will be used to launch phase 1 IND enabling of the molecules that we have. So very happy to connect and to be on the CAI Global Health Demo Days, because this is a good platform that we can use to combat global health issues. There are a lot of diseases that would need, a more affordable way for patients to get access to, and we're trying to do that. So thank you very much. This is my contact. Please feel free to connect and reach out as we are, trying to close this round. Thank you so much.